Hi guys, I am Harsh and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to make a logo for free. After watching this video you will be able to create your logo like this. So are you excited for this? Let's get started. So in the first step, go to the logo making tool and you can see this is my logo making tool. The link is given in the video description and click that link and you will be on this logo making tool. Okay, so go to there and open your browser and click that link. Now it will take you to this page. You can see here we are going to make a logo. You can see here this is the sample logo. You can see this is the default sample logo and firstly we need to remove this. So to remove this, click on this. Here you can see new option. So click this and it will ask you, are you sure want to erase your current drawings? So click yes. And now you can see we have a blank page here and we will create a logo on this page. The next step is to create an icon for our logo. So to make the icon, click on this. In the left pane you can see add symbol option. So click on this. You can see here there are many different icons and categories. Now choose your category that suits your brand. So let's say I am choosing this web. I am choosing web category. So click on this. Now pick your icon here you like. You can see there are many different icons. So pick an icon you like. Let's say I am choosing this icon. Let's say yeah. Now we have added our icon. You can see this. So let's start making this. So let's say you want to change your color of this icon. So click on your place where you want to change your color and you can see I have selected this place, and here in the left pane you can see this is the color option. So select this and change your color. Yeah, now we changed our color. Now in the next step, now we will customize this icon. So let's say you don't want this dollar symbol. Okay, so to remove this dollar symbol, select on this area and in the left part you can see there is an eye option. So click on this hide option. Now you can see we have removed this dollar symbol. Now we will make this icon more fancy. So we are going to add another icon on this. Okay, so let's now pick your icon again in the symbol option. In the select this add symbol and let's say I am selecting this technology. Yeah, So let's say I am choosing this icon, so click on this icon. Now we will make this icon more fancy, so just drag this as to bring it small, and like this. Now let's say you want to change this color of the icon. So to change this icon color, again select your icon, and in the left pane let's pick some another color. Now we have successfully created our icon. Now in the next step is to add our brand name to this logo. So to add your brand name, click on this add text option. You can see, click. Now like this. Now enter your own text here. So let's say I am writing here like this. So if you want to add your tagline here, you can also do this. So click again add text option, and you can see, now select this and take it to here, and write your tagline here. Now in the next step, now to change your text color. Okay, now to change your text color, click on your selected tagline, and like this, you can see here we have the option to change this color. So change this. Now we have added brand name and the tagline. Now let's say we want to make our brand name more fancy. So click here and click this, and you can see there is option duplicate. So duplicate this, and I am deleting here this, and also now we have separated this name into two parts. Okay, now to make it more unique, we will change this font. To apply new font, you can see there the option in the here. You can select this font and select the font you like. Now we have changed this font, and if you want to change this color, you can also set from there. Now you can see that our logo is looking fancy and unique, and by this process we successfully created our logo. So if you want to make your logo like this, so you have to explore these options and create your logo in your unique way. I have made this logo in my process, so maybe your process will be different than me, and so you can apply many types of creativity here. Now in the final step I am going to show you how to download this logo. So in the upper option you can see there is a option save and download. So click on this option, and here you need to provide your email address to save your logo project. So write your email address here. Let's say I have given my address and click on this option save and continue. Yes, now your logo will be sent to your email. So go to your email and check it out. So let's go. I am opening my email. Now you can see we have got our logo in my email. So you can see there is a file, so we have to download this file. So click on this download your logo file, and it will be downloaded like this. So by downloading you can see, so go to your downloading explorer, and here you can see we have got our file. So this is in zip format, so we have to unzip this. So let's say I am choosing here in the desktop option, so click this. Now you can see we have got our logo, so click on this and open. Yes, now you can see we have got our logo in the different file and format. You can see this is the another. So by this process you can create your own logo for free. And if you want to edit your logo in future, you can see in this toolbar here you can see this is the URL. So copy this URL and open your URL by your browser, and this will take you to your logo page. So that's it guys. This is how you can create your logo for free. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and now you will go and create your own logo and enjoy it. So please like and subscribe my video, and I will see you in the next video with another interesting tips and tricks.